Hey folks, it's Alex and I am in a Jeep. I've been in this Jeep now for, I don't know, like a little bit over a week, I think. I was rear-ended. I've had it in the shop over at Active Auto Body, and I'm really excited to pick it up and have my car back. But I have enjoyed driving the Jeep, and I used to have a Jeep before, and I've enjoyed driving a Jeep again. So kind of hate to say goodbye to this little guy, but I'm also looking forward to driving my car again. All right, so we're here at Active Auto Body, and I'm excited to see my car. Let's step inside. Okay, folks, I'm coming into Active Auto Body to pick up my car. Here we go. I think that's Javier there.
Hey, Alex.
Hola, Javier. How are you?
Good. How
We'll
are
do
you?
the little shake. Good. Hey, came to pick up my car. Yeah.
You want to take a look?
Yeah, let's do that.
Do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Right, I'll follow you.
Take a
Alright.
look. So basically what we did is replace the rear bumper, of course, with a brand new bumper from the dealership.
Awesome.
We paint matched your color, and then there was a reinforcement bar on the back that was damaged due to the impact, so we replaced that as well.
And did you guys detail the car too?
We cleaned it and washed it.
Wow, I know. I don't think.
Disinfected the car as well. Now with COVID is.
Wow, and I don't think my car's been this clean in a few months. That's beautiful.
Vacuumed it inside, disinfected it, so ready for you to enjoy.
All right, awesome. And let me can you open it up?
Yeah, go ahead. Get in.
All right, awesome. Wow. Yeah, it hasn't been this clean in a little while. I just haven't had time to take it to get detailed.
Yeah, no worries.
But
that's included, huh?
yeah, that's great. Look at this. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you for your
Amazing.
business. Any problems with the repairs, feel free to bring it back. It's guaranteed. We guarantee our repairs for as long as you own the car.
Awesome.
So feel free to bring it back. It's guaranteed.
Well, thank you so much. And I think the other part that I really enjoyed, Javier, was that you have the on-site like car rental service. So I was able to get a rental right here, and then I'm able to drop off the Jeep right there.
Yeah, no problem.
And you guys take care of that.
With Hertz, make sure this is a one-stop shop for you.
Absolutely.
Whatever you need.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much,
Alex.
again.
Here's your key. Thank you very much for your business.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. You too.